back to another video. Today we got a Home Depot buy one get one free power tool deal type of thing. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're here at the Home Depot page. You scroll down to more ways to do the holidays. It says up to 2 free power tools or batteries. You click on that and it takes you to this screen. It says free power tools, big savings on our top brands. They do have a lot of these brands that are popular brands from Home Depot. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Joby, Rigid, Makita. They are all here. Basically what you do is you select your tool for your brand, shop now. Alright, it says they give you an option, either get a free tool or battery with the purchase of M18 18 volt 2 battery and a 4 amp hour kit. So basically you have to purchase this to get the free tool, or if you want to get 2 free tools you can purchase this this item. So I'm just going to put the first one with the batteries. So basically you let's see here. Yeah. So basically you buy this item and then you get one of these for free. I'm pretty sure they have like a little screen where you have to choose the let's see here. Add it to the cart. I don't know why it's saying 969. Probably had some older yeah, remove. And then let's try selecting a tool. Maybe we can get a tool for free. Let's try this reciprocating saw. Getting cart. All right. So this is what happens. Pretty much it says subtotal 398. That's for with both of the tools selected. It says savings 199. Estimated shipping free. So total amount is 199. Oops, sorry. 199, and new total is, says get up to 100% off. Get a credit card received. Okay, well that's different. That's if you want to get a credit card, I guess. But yeah, pretty much it's free. It looks like it added out the discounts here at the checkout. Let's try this out. Let's see how much this is. Alright, looks like it's $3.99. This is definitely a great deal because you're getting 4 tools for $3.99 plus those 2 big batteries there. So it says M18 18 volt lithium cordless. Let me check on the lithium ion brushless cordless combo kit 2 tool with a free circular saw reciprocating saw. This is probably the best one. This include 2 tools and fuel hammer and impact driver. And they are brushless, by the way. Alright, so that is the price for that. Let's choose another brand. Let's try DeWalt. Alright, DeWalt has the 2 battery. Same thing. 5, it looks like a 5 amp hour battery for $199. You choose any of these tools for free, and they do give you XR brushless tools. So yeah, definitely these are worth it. XRs. On this one, let's see what they give you. They give you a $3.99, so it's basically the same as the Milwaukee. You're getting 2, and they're USA made, by the way. Says 20 volt max, cordless, brushless combo kit, 2 tool with flex bolts, 20 volt batteries bonus, sander and impact wrench, $3.99. So you get 2 tools, your choice there. All right, let's go back. Let's look at the other brands here, right? Joby. All right. Looks like Ryobi just has one deal here. It says All right, so Ryobi's deal is $149, and basically you get any of these for free, which is still a great deal. Ryobi has a large selection of tools. I mean, probably one of the largest. As you can see, there's pretty much a lot to choose from. And for $149, I don't think it's a bad deal. This charger, I gotta get this charger. I got a few of these tools myself. Nice radio there. I believe this one, not a radio, it's an inflator. It's the newer one. I do have this one, works real good for the car. Yeah, but they definitely got some great deals there. And in order for you to get the better deal, I would definitely look at the price. Obviously, some of them are going to be $39, $39, $49, and there's just different prices. This one's $59. So the higher the price, the better, the more you're getting for free. So definitely $69, $79. So definitely a great. See, these are $79. You're getting $79 for free there. So definitely would select that higher prices for free. I'm trying to go back to the main menu there to look at the other brand. It says Rigid. Right, they got two get a free tool or battery when you purchase these two. So their deal is with the $199 deal. Again, they have some nice tools there. You can choose there. And this one is $449, and you get a whole bunch of tools. So you get a 5-tool combo with the bonus Octane, brushless angle grinder, and Octane. So you get the 5 tools plus 2 more. So getting a total of 7 tools and brushless. Yeah, they're all brushless. $449. So that is definitely a great deal there. Let's go back to Makita. I should have just clicked. Makita is says it's too fast. Get a free tool or battery exclusive. 18 volts 2 battery 4 amp hour kit. That deal is $199. And then you got another one here, up to 2 free tools or batteries. So if you buy this kit with the 5 amp hour batteries, so that deal is $399. So guys, this is definitely worth it if you want to get into a platform. Definitely recommend you guys getting this. Let's see, getting these deals. Definitely worth it. So anyways, just thought I'd make this video for you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and by the way, I do got more Black Friday videos coming up, more deals, tool deals. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.